Hey fifth graders, today I briefly wanted to review the give and take strategy so that you guys can use it during your problem string quiz today. So a give and take strategy means that we're going to borrow or we're going to take some from one number and give it to another number to make them easier to add together. So we see in this problem which one of these is really close to an easy number. Well, 98, it's super close to 100. We would just need 2 more to have 98. So I'm going to take the 2 from the 56 and I'm going to give it to the 98. That's why it's called the give and take strategy. So with my 56, I need to take away the 2 so that I can give the 2 to my $98. And then 56, of course, minus 2 is 54. And my 98 plus 2 is my really easy 100. And now I see 100 plus 54 is $154. We just took a problem that could have been difficult and we just made it really easy for ourselves. So we're going to use this same give and take strategy to help us add decimals, and we're going to think of it as money. So in this problem, it says, what is 78 cents plus $1.97? Now one of these is really close to a nice number. You got it. I see this is super close if we just round it up to $2. And we would need how many more cents to get to that $2? You got it. We would need 3 more cents. So I'm going to take the 3 cents from my 78 cents so that I can give it to that number. So I need to take away my 3 cents. Remember, I draw it like this because we have no dollars and we just have 3 cents. So I am left with 75 cents here. And now that I took away the 3 cents from this one, I can give it to the other one. That's why we call it the give and take strategy. So now I can add these together, and my 197 plus the 3 cents is exactly what I wanted it to be. I made it a really easy, even dollar. Now I can add these together, and I see quickly that I have $2 and 75 cents. The give and take strategy is really nice because it gives us easy numbers to work with instead of numbers that wouldn't be easy to work with on their own. So we're going to do one last practice one, and I hope that you can do this one on your own with me. Which one of these is really close to a nice number? Yeah, we see this is really close. If we had 4 more cents here, we would have $14. So in order to do it, we need to take from the 49, 549, and then we need to give it to the other one. So I know that I need 4 cents over there. So I'll take it from my 549, and I'm going to give it to my 1396. All right, and now I know that this is going to be a really nice even $14 with that 4 more cents. And I will be left with 545. So now I can add these together quickly. Then I'll add my whole numbers, which 14 plus 5 is $19. Can't forget my dollar sign. $19.45. All right, you guys will be using this strategy to do the problem string quiz today. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. I would love to review this with you. Have a great day.